Happy 31st anniversary, interminably undefinable fraternity, my beloved IUF. I'm happy that you are celebrating now our grand celebration sponsored by IUF Bayawan City Spider Chapter. Kumusta kayo dyan? And hopefully, kayong lahat ay nag-enjoy. I so much miss you all. And talagang, if only I could have joined you today. Dumating na ang araw na sinasabi natin na matagal na I will not be with you for quite a long time, and this is the challenge na talagang ibuhos natin para magpatuloy ang ating samahan at ating brotherhood and interminable family. Naalala ko noon, there was a lot of calls na talagang paano na lang ang IF kung wala ako, but you've proven yourselves to continue and forever unchangeable brotherhood kahit wala tayo dyan. Tatlong founders ngayon ay wala na sa seat of our or the center of our brotherhood, which is Negros Oriental and Dumaguete City. As we celebrate this remarkable milestone, it's time for us to reflect on how far we have come and envision the path ahead. For over 3 decades, our fraternity has thrived on the bonds of brotherhood and camaraderie and unwavering support. These are the pillars that have defined us and will always be our strength. Now, at 31, we stand as a mature and seasoned entity. It is time for us to move beyond the familiar and embrace a new chapter. Just as a grown person transitions from adolescence to adulthood, our fraternity must also evolve. Our journey should now focus on expanding our horizons, contributing to our communities, and participating in nation-building efforts. Meaning, kailangan po natin mag-expand ng more chapters. Kailangan po nating maghanap ng paraan para makatulong sa iba't ibang mga communities gaya ng mga other activities and mga projects outside the brotherhood and participating in regional and national efforts in nation-building. So let us channel our collective energy and passion, mga brothers and sisters, into meaningful activities that advance the causes and advocacies of others, not just our fraternity. It is no longer just about bonding and enjoying each other's company at lahat ng mga inuman, party, lahat ng mga yun. Dahil kilala na tayo tungkol dyan, ang pagiging close to each other. It is about making a tangible difference in the world around us. We have the power to create lasting change, and we can only do so by striving hard for ourselves and for the greater good. Matagal ko ng dream na maging mature ang IF. Hindi po namin yun talagang nag-pressure sa inyo noon. But now, it's time. It's 31. It's not 30, it's not 15, it's not 10 years of IF. We are not teenagers anymore as a fraternity, but we are 31 years old. Pero matanong natin sa ating sarili, paano natin mas strive na mag-activities for others if hindi naman natin kaya sa sarili? In my 31st anniversary message, gusto ko pong maging straightforward sa inyo. Hindi nyo nagagawa yan, young bloods, dahil you haven't also given much education para sa sarili ninyo at advancements. Nagagawa ko po yun as Kuya Dennis, natayo ko po ang IUF, natayo namin ang IUF, nakatayo ako ng maraming mga organizations and events dahil I provided myself the best experiences and at mga ginagawa sa buhay to protect myself. So what do I mean? First, para makatulong sa iba, hanapan nyo ng paraan mag-aral ng mabuti. Para makatulong sa iba, hanapan nyo ng paraan na maging okay ang pamilya ninyo. Number 3, maging okay din ang pamumuhay ninyo. Ibig sabihin, your work. So, ibig ba sabihin nito, Kuya Dennis, hindi na kami tutulong sa IF dahil gusto namin munang maging personal ang aming mga successes? Hindi po. When I grew up, sinabi ko na sa inyo, in the sidewalks of Dumaguete. I was very poor. And I'm not saying I'm so rich now. but I am rich in experience and rich of everything I can protect myself, kaya nakakatulong ako ng iba. So, gawin ninyong inspiration ng buhay ko. I'm already 42 years old. I have a family. I have a good work. I have a good family. I have a good career. And nakakatulong po tayo. Yun po ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyong lahat ngayon. I am proud to say that with the limited activities, with the limited money, with the limited opportunities that I have growing up, I got the chance to still help and serve. Turo po yun ng aking ama. Idol ko po ang aking ama. He's up to grade 3 lang in his life. But he had the chance to show to me na kahit hanggang grade 3 lang siya, he protected and secured himself to be the best person he can be as a father, even as a son, and as a community helper ng iba't ibang mga friends niya. So, doon ko natutunan ang brotherhood sa kanya. Nakita ko kasama niya ang mga Chinese friends niya in Silliman. Hindi po siya tadugumagyete, pero nakaya po niyang ipakita sa akin na with his friends, rich friends, he was able to inspire them and was able to also help them. At the same time, he was able to put up businesses para ipagtaguyod ang aming pamilya. So, paano natin ito matranslate sa interminably amplifiable? I'm not saying you don't enjoy, because I myself grew up also enjoying my life at the same time. Pwede po natin i-balance yan. To all alumni also listening to this message, that is also my invitation. Hindi po ito ding mag-autopilot ang interminably amplifiable. Kailangan po namin ang tulong ninyo. Kailangan po natin, brothers. So please help IUF in any way that you can, from guiding to leadership to the alumni council activities to money, financial. Habang ang ating mga new bloods and board of directors, be it anywhere in the Philippines, be an example to other chapters, to be a good person, to be a good citizen, and to be a good student. Wala po tayong magagawa sa buhay kung hindi tayo maghanap ng way to become a very good student. Not an honor student, but I'm saying to find ways to study. To find ways to study and to finish studying. Sa mga brothers natin na walang opportunity to do that dahil talagang problema ang kanilang pamilya, be it an inspiration kung anong nangyari sa ama ko. Sabi ko naman. At huwag niyong sabihin po na wala kayong time para sa interminably amplifiable. Dahil kahit ako pa ang magpakita sa inyo ng lahat ng examples na kinaya ko ang buhay kong mag-serve kahit sobra kong daming mga ginagawa sa buhay at sobra ko rin problemang pinagdaanan. Bakit hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin ako tumutulong sa lahat ng communities all over the Philippines. So may this message be an inspiration to all of you that you can do it all. From studying, to working, to be a good family man, to be a good provider, and to become a good interminably undefiable fraternity. Brother, sister, alumni, elder, board of director. Again, let us channel our collective energy and passion into meaningful activities that advance the causes and advocacies of others. It is no longer just about bonding and enjoying each other's company. It is about making a tangible difference in the world around us. We have the power to create lasting change, and we can only do this by striving hard para sa ating sarili for the greater good of others. Here's to the next chapter of the Interminably Amplifiable Fraternity, where we grow, inspire, and lead with purpose. Forever unchangeable brothers, 31st anniversary, enjoy your celebration, and may we move forward now to more chapters, more members, and our own successful lives so that we can give more to our brother. IUF, forever unchangeable.